Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. AI agents are replacing jobs faster than expected. Here's what just changed in the US. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool that helps humans work faster. In the United States, AI agents are now working on their own, making decisions, completing tasks, and in many cases replacing human jobs sooner than experts predicted. What changed recently is not the technology itself, but how fast companies have started using it in real business operations. Until last year, most AI tools needed constant human input. But now, AI agents can plan, execute, and improve tasks independently. These agents can answer emails, manage customer support, write code, analyze data, schedule meetings, generate reports, and even negotiate basic business decisions. For US companies under pressure to cut costs and increase productivity, this shift has become a game changer. One major change in the US is how companies are hiring. Instead of expanding teams, many businesses are quietly replacing entry-level and mid-level roles with AI agents. Customer support, sales operations, HR screening, content writing, accounting, and software testing are among the most affected fields. Startups are now proudly saying, "We run with 10 people and dozens of AI agents." That statement would have been impossible just 2 years ago. Another big shift is happening in corporate decision-making. AI agents are no longer experimental tools sitting in innovation labs. They are now embedded into daily workflows. US companies are giving AI access to internal systems, databases, and performance metrics. This allows AI agents to act almost like digital employees, working 24/7 without breaks, salaries, or benefits. From a business perspective, the math is hard to ignore. What's alarming many Americans is the speed. Earlier predictions suggested AI would slowly replace jobs over a decade or more. Instead, the adoption curve has become extremely steep. Companies that resisted automation are now rushing to implement AI just to stay competitive. If one company reduces costs using AI agents, competitors feel forced to follow or risk falling behind. The US job market is already showing signs of this shift. Hiring for repetitive white-collar roles is slowing down, while demand for AI-related skills is rising sharply. Jobs that involve predictable processes are the most vulnerable. On the other hand, roles requiring creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence, and complex judgment are still relatively safe for now. But this doesn't mean humans are becoming irrelevant. What's changing is what companies value in workers. Instead of doing tasks manually, employees are expected to manage, guide, and supervise AI agents. New roles like AI workflow manager, AI operations analyst, and prompt strategist are emerging. The people who know how to work with AI are becoming far more valuable than those who compete against it. Another important change in the US is the policy conversation. Lawmakers, unions, and economists are now openly discussing AI-related job displacement. Topics like reskilling programs, AI regulation, and even universal basic income are no longer fringe ideas. The concern is not whether jobs will be affected, but how society adapts fast enough. For individuals, the message is clear. Ignoring AI is no longer an option. Learning how AI agents work, understanding automation, and upgrading skills has become essential for career survival. The winners in this new era won't be those who fear AI, but those who learn to use it as a powerful partner. In conclusion, AI agents are not a future threat. They are a present reality in the US. Jobs are not disappearing overnight, but they are transforming faster than expected. This moment is a warning, an opportunity, and a turning point. The real question is not, will AI replace jobs, but who adapts fast enough to stay ahead?